Hi Year 7, I'm just doing the last bit of the video for exercise 10E, and I said that I was going to do question 6F in a separate video because it's a little bit harder. And to be honest, it's more of an extension question. So it's no big deal if you're not up to this, but I did say I was going to do a video, so here's the video. Okay, I'm actually at school, so I got a copy of the textbook. And it's this question here. It's 10E 6F, and it's about finding the perimeter of this interesting sort of composite shape. Okay, and it tells you, and I've drawn it here. It tells you that this length here, this straight bit, is 10 centimeters, which means that this bit here is as well. And what you've got to do with these questions sometimes is you've got to like put in a dashed line so that you can break the composite shape up into shapes that we can work out the perimeter of. So when you look at this, you've got these two straight edges, okay, and they're 10 centimeters each, so they're easy. And then you've got two bits of a circle, okay, and it's two half circles when you look at it. Now we're not doing area, we're doing perimeter, okay, which when we're talking about a circle is circumference. But when you look at this, what you're meant to see to work it out quicker is that this bit here plus this bit here, it just adds up to one normal circle. And the diameter of that circle, as you can see, is 8 centimeters. So you've just got to do the normal formula for what is the circumference of a circle if you know the diameter. And you should know what the formula is. It's just pi multiplied by d. It's pi d. So to work out the perimeter of this whole shape, it's 10 plus 10, because that's those two bits there, plus pi d, because this bit here plus this bit here, it's just one circle, okay, if you join them up. And the diameter is d, so it's pi d, because pi d tells us the circumference of a circle. You would hopefully remember that the other formula for the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, but that means exactly the same thing as pi d. Okay, so that 10 plus that 10 equals 20, and it's pi times 8 because 8's the diameter. So if you put all of that into the calculator, you do 20 plus 8 times pi, and it comes out as being 45.1 blah, 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 blah. But the question said do it to one decimal place rounding, so it's 45.1 centimeters. I did what I often do and I forgot to put the centimeters in, but it's important to put your units in like that. So it's 45.1, I'll just hold the whole thing in here for you, 45.1 centimeters. So that was the somewhat more difficult question 6F in exercise 10E. Now with exercise 10E, you didn't have to do anything after question 6. Okay, so the next video I'll be moving on next week to exercise 10F in the textbook. And that sort of gets easier because we're not looking at circles anymore. We're finished with circles for now. And it's working out the area of squares and rectangles. And then after that, it moves on to triangles. Okay, there's some more formulas for that. It's quite interesting, but I'll do those videos next week. See you later.